Now we want to explain the hole command. Make the standard holes on your bodies, run the command. And then you must define two reference edges, do it with Control button in keyboard. And then select your flat face that want to make the standard hole on it, and you can see the hole preview. And you can fix your hole position by this dimensions, cancel, and then run it again, and this time only click on flat face and then in hole definition, in positioning sketch, you can fix its position. This command is so easy and simple to use. First tab is extension, and here, blind, up to next. Up to plane, surface and etc. Here define the diameter and hole depth, here is direction, OK. And here you can define your bottom type of standard hole, and in Type tab, all holes type is in list. Simple, you can see its preview here, tapered, counterbore, countersunk, counter-drilled. Test all of them and see its figures here, and parameters, diameter, depth and angle, so good, and thread definition tab. You can active the threaded checkbox and in bottom type and thread definition, complete its parameters. This command is so simple and no need to explain more. Test all parameters yourself later, so good.